हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक। आज फिर मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आई हूँ एक इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी। तो चलिए स्टोरी स्टार्ट करने से पहले कुछ मीनिंग देख लेते हैं। मिस्टेक, गलती। वैनिश, गायब। रिप्लेस, बदलना। वरी, चिंता। इंस्पिरेशनल, प्रेरणादायक। कॉन्वर्सेशन, बातचीत। फाउंड, पाया। इवेंचुअली, अंततः। along, साथ साथ। दो, हालांकि। स्पाउस, पति पत्नी। प्रेशियस, अनमोल। पेंसिल, आई एम सॉरी। इरेजर, फॉर what? You didn't do anything wrong. Pencil, I am sorry. You get hurt because of me. Whenever I made a mistake, you're always there to erase it. But as you make my mistake vanish, you lose a part of yourself and get smaller and smaller each time. Eraser, that's true, but I didn't really mind. You see, I was made to help you whenever you do something wrong. Even though one day I know I will be gone and you will replace me with a new one. I'm actually happy with my job. So please stop worrying. I hate seeing you sad. I found this conversation between the pencil and the eraser very inspirational. Parents are like erasers, whereas their children, the pencil. They are always there for their children, cleaning up their mistakes. Sometimes along the way, they get hurt and become smaller, older, and eventually pass on. Though their children will eventually find someone new, a spouse. But parents are still happy with what they do for their children and will always hate seeing their precious one worrying or sad. Take care of your parents, treat them with kindness, and most especially love them. Thanks for watching. गाइस, अगर आपको ये स्टोरी अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक शेयर करना ना भूलें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।